Hello everyone, this is m300 with a new video, and today we will be shooting the M300 airsoft shotgun. It is a spring rifle that you manually load between each shot. It's made of wood and metal. Shoots about 410 FPS, I guess. And we will be shooting at 5, 10, 15 yards, 20 as well. And as you saw right there, it was at 5 yards. You can see that in the bottom right corner. So we scored 30 points at 5 yards. Now we're shooting at 10 yards. And the accuracy on this rifle is quite impressive. It's pretty much a sniper rifle but a shotgun. So now we're shooting at 15 yards. And it's quite windy, so the shots are getting more spread. And we scored 26 points at 15 yards. So now it's 20 yards. As I said, it's quite windy. But the gun itself shoots so hard, so it doesn't take too much effect. But right now we're shooting at 0.2 BBs, bullets. And we score 25 points at 20 yards. That equals 107 points. It's quite good. And that's it for now, and I hope to see you in the next video.